Is TCL Roku TV Bluetooth capable? Many TCL Roku TV models offer Bluetooth capability, but it depends on the specific model. While Bluetooth support is not available on all TCL Roku TVs, some models do include Bluetooth for wireless connections to audio devices, such as headphones or speakers, allowing for a more flexible audio experience. It's essential to verify the specifications of the particular TCL Roku TV model you're interested in to determine if it supports Bluetooth. 1. Bluetooth for audio devices. Some TCL Roku TVs with Bluetooth support allow users to connect wireless audio devices like Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or soundbars. This feature is convenient for those who want to listen to TV audio without disturbing others or require a more personalized sound experience. 2. Bluetooth streaming from devices. In addition to connecting audio devices, Bluetooth-enabled TCL Roku TVs may allow you to stream content from Bluetooth-compatible smartphones, tablets, or laptops. This gives you more flexibility to share or cast music and videos directly to your TV without the need for cables. 3. How to use Bluetooth on TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and Bluetooth device are in pairing mode. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu on your TCL Roku TV and navigate to Audio or Bluetooth settings. Step 3. Select your Bluetooth device from the list of available devices and complete the pairing process. 4. Identifying Bluetooth-enabled TCL Roku TV models. Step 1. Check the model specifications. Look for Bluetooth support listed in the product details. Step 2. Visit the TCL website and search for the specific model to confirm if it has Bluetooth compatibility. Step 3. Review the user manual to see if Bluetooth is listed as a supported feature. 5. Should you choose a Bluetooth-enabled TCL Roku TV? If you're looking for Bluetooth support to connect wireless audio devices or stream content from your smartphone or tablet, choosing a TCL Roku TV with Bluetooth is a great option. It adds flexibility and convenience to your entertainment setup, especially if you prefer wireless connections. Not all TCL Roku TVs are Bluetooth-enabled, but many newer models do offer this feature. If you want to connect wireless headphones or Bluetooth speakers to your TV, checking the model specifications for Bluetooth support will ensure you get the functionality you need.